I'm back at the farm to review the progress and what's happening so far. As you can see, the plants are fruiting and fruiting very well. I'm hopeful. I pray for a bounty harvest. The bigger tomatoes are actually very big. Now all I need to do is ensure that I'm not getting any diseases. I'm not getting any diseases at all. But so far, the small fruiting tomatoes are fruiting very well. So these are small ones. I didn't leave these ones here last week. And you can see some of these big ones. I pray for a bountiful harvest, no diseases. Spraying is continuing regularly. It has now become a weekly thing to spray foliar. I'm spraying fungicides, insecticides and foliar. All I need to do now is just expect to get flowers and fruits and not leaves. Came across this tree, this plant which has very small ones. This was among the first ones that I had identified. If I can just take this one over here, you see it has a very big one. It's amazing. I'm going around trying to prune off the leaves which are down below. I wonder what this one is. This one looks hollow. I'm not sure whether it's an insect inside. I hope it's not. Some form of deformity. But so far they are looking good. Across this one tree with this many fruits. I find it quite amazing. It's other side as well. And when you look at it, you just pass by. If this is the first time you are watching my video visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and click the bell button to turn on the notifications. Thank you. Just come across this tomato. It looks like there is something that was trying to get inside. I wonder what it is, whether it's a sickness of some sort. It's all green and round, but it has some balls. I think we'll continue spraying as well. how one small plant can have so many. I'm not complaining, I'm very happy. Thank you, Jesus. What I'm pruning is the lower leaves which are touching the ground. Some of them are starting to turn yellow. That could be as a result of blight, but they have been under spray. Just that under the conditions they are damp and they are not getting enough sunlight. So this is the reason why they're turning this way. And being close to the ground, it's a recipe for disaster. So that's what I'm trying to avoid by pruning that low. There's still a lot to be done. I've done a few sections, a few rows. I want to do another 3 rows. And my workers will continue tomorrow to make sure that everything is done completely.